In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious couscous pancake recipe. Welcome to Tasting Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 3 cups of cooked couscous, 2 eggs, half a cup of oil, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 tablespoon of parsley. In a bowl, we're going to beat together the 2 eggs. Add the egg mixture to the couscous. Season with the salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and the parsley, and mix until everything is combined. In a pan over heat, we're going to add in the oil. Add in even-sized spoonfuls of the couscous mixture into the pan and flatten it out like a pancake. Once they become golden brown, we're going to flip them and continue to cook on the other side until it becomes golden brown. When they're done cooking, we're going to take them out onto a paper towel lined plate. Our couscous pancakes are complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.